Hey, how you doing? I am Gio. Welcome to the channel. Hope you welcome back and welcome to another techno reaction. So today's song is Joey Beltram again, but we got his other big release, Mentasm, right? I did Energy Flash in I need to do Mentasm, right? I'm on. Let's face it, I've heard it, right? I'm bound to have heard it, but it's a little bit before my time, just a couple of years before my time, so I am unsure if I couldn't tell you right now what it sounds like, but I'm fucking sure I've heard it. It's a classic, right? I believe it was released in 1991, so this is early days, right? This is like fucking pioneer days. So here we have Joey Beltram, born November 6, 1971, is an American DJ and record producer, best known for his pioneer singles Energy Flash and Mentasm, and for remixing Human Resources Dominator. Right? I think America is always the best and the worst of things, right? It's like they give you a scene, like Detroit techno, house music, and then later on, the kind of later generations try to destroy it with the sort of the bullshit culture we've got right now, right? Like the EDM festival visualization culture we have now, right? So Americans are the best and the worst of fucking everything. Where would we be without them? But where would we be without them? You know? But so we thank them for Joey Beltram, though, right? Energy Flash, Mentasm. So, without further ado, there's not much more I can say about it. This is Joey Beltram, Mentasm 1991. I'll just start by saying very familiar. Yeah, it is. Of course, I've heard it before. Didn't know it was Belgian. Didn't know it was 91. Yeah. So, yeah, is the talk about Joey Beltram like influencing techno, but there is a direct line from that sound, Hoover sound, from 91 here to early 2000 hard house, right? Like it is the prototype of early 2000 hard house. Just a little bit faster, bigger drums, but fucking hell, the sound, but yeah. It's, what can you say? it's what dance music used to be, right? It's simple, right? You don't need to be too complicated. You just need an idea and a fucking groove and a kick drum in some originality, right? That's all you need. We're trying to fucking these days. It's like we're trying to be too clever. We're trying to show off too much. We're trying to be too complicated. When music's too complicated, your brain sort of loses what it's doing, right? It does need to be complex. Like the joy of dance music and house music and electronic music is your brain recognizing patterns, right? Recognizing that pattern and and getting in a groove with it. And this is God, right? Like keyboard, simple riff, a kick, hi hat, a little clopping sound, a little bit of a pad. Spot on, perfect. Boom. So that was Joey Beltram Mentasm from 1991. And again, I say this a lot. I does this song in 1991, right? Maybe the drums a little bit. Maybe it's a little bit the drums. I wouldn't like as full as they could be these days. But that's like it is like I says influencing techno and stuff. But it is like it's speed up a bit and it's hard house. From 2000, like the good hard house, before it went completely fucking batshit. Yeah, it's again. I keep on saying this. Everything I'll come across. But I'm gonna be honest. If I come across something I don't like, I'll say I don't like it. But it's good. Like that's all you need, right? It's like it's a vibe. It's a feeling, right? It's a groove, right? Like it's simple. A simple riff, drums. Like is that 808 cowbells. Yeah, you don't need. I think the problem we've got these days is music's not music anymore. It's visual, right? It's like you go to see a show. Not me. You go to listen. You go to lose yourself in music. You didn't go to look at the lights and the light. Oh wow, and like these fucking amazing visuals and stuff. No, really. because you're sort of sacrificing the vibe of the crowd for a show, right? I feel like. But you know, I guess it's what people want, isn't it? Is it what people want these days? I don't know. But yeah, to me, that's great. I was the sort of thing that pushed dance music forward, right? Nice and easy, a groove, a feeling, and it's got longevity. It lasted, right? So God bless Joey Beltram. Um, God bless you. Thank you for watching or watching. See, I'm doing it as well. Thank you for listening with me. Leave a comment, tell me what you thought. If you liked the video, like the video. If you like this type of content, push subscribe. Leave me some suggestions. Yeah, like I says, I I I dipped out of dance music scene in about 2004. So for then until about 3 years ago, it's pretty much blank. So I want to fill in some of the stuff I've missed, the good stuff I've missed. So suggest me some of that as well. So until then, right, I'll see you in the next one.